Hi everyone, welcome to this video on how to look after your chopping board. First of all, you'll need some coarse salt and some slices of lemon. First thing to do is add all the salt to the chopping board. Next, with the slices of lemon, rub all over the chopping board like so. The salt acts a little bit like a face scrub, and the lemon is acidic, so it helps to clean off any dirt that's on the board. Remember, don't forget to do the edges, and if there's a handle, try and do the inside edges of the handle as well. Of course, as soon as you've done the first side, flip it over and repeat the same process on the other side. After letting the board sit for 2 minutes to let the lemon and salt work, you'll next want to clean off all of the lemon and salt with warm to hot water, but definitely not boiling. Once you've cleaned all of the lemon and salt off the board, it's vital to get it bone dry before we move on to the next stage, which is oiling the board. I find leaving the board between two tea towels for around 15 minutes really helps draw all the excess water out of the board before we move on to the next stage. The next part of the process for caring for your wooden chopping board is to oil it. We use Cat's Kill Original Butcher's Block Oil. We think it's great, used it for quite a long time now. This is in no way a sponsored video, this is just the one we use. I really do recommend it. This chopping board's around about a year old, and I use it in all of my videos, and it's kept it really good. So a little tip, I like to put the oil onto the cloth, make sure it is a soft cloth, and putting the oil onto the cloth just means that you've not got pools of oil swimming all over the board, and you can just use the amount that you need. As we did with the lemon and the salt earlier, make sure you get into the handle and all around the sides of the board, because they need oil just as much as the main bit that you use for chopping. As you can see here, you can really tell the difference between the side that's been oiled and the side that hasn't. It looks like it's almost been varnished. So then go ahead and do the same thing on the second side of the board, applying the oil to the rag instead of the oil straight onto the board, making sure it doesn't pool up, like I said earlier. Depending how long it is since you have oiled the board, you may need to use more than I have done here, but I oil my board around about once a month, so it doesn't get too dry. Not only does the oil help to protect the board, it also makes it look almost like new again. If you're still here, guys, thanks for sticking around. Thank you for watching. If you found the video informative or helpful, please do leave a comment and hit the like button. And if you're new here, guys, please do consider subscribing. Bye for now, and stay safe.